The Polestar O2 is a cutting-edge electric roadster that comes standard with a camera-equipped drone that can be flown in the sky to capture aerial footage. When the Polestar O2 concept was unveiled in March 2022, we all thought it would just be a design study, but the company's CEO, Thomas Ingenlath, said he wants to make it a real production car. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Electric. Today's video is going to be really exciting, so make sure to pay close attention to it so you don't miss out on any of this information. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for access to more thrilling videos from this channel, and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our wonderful videos in the future. And let's get started. Polestar, a Swedish manufacturer of electric vehicles, has introduced a new roadster concept that they are calling the Polestar O2. The hardtop convertible, which made its world premiere today in Los Angeles, is designed to demonstrate not only the automaker's bonded aluminum platform, which it manufactures in-house, but also some of the company's more outlandish innovations, such as an integrated drone for aerial filming. The hardtop convertible also made its debut today in Los Angeles. It is the second idea to come from the company, which is a joint venture between Volvo and Geely, the Chinese company that is Volvo's parent company, and the parent company of Geely. And it's a nod to the company's roots as a performance sub-brand of Volvo, despite the fact that it's since recast itself as an EV-only mark. The company was originally known as Polestar. At first blush, the Polestar O2 gives the impression that it would be extremely enjoyable to use in all aspects of its design and operation. There has not been the production of an electric two-seater sports car since the introduction of the Tesla Roadster, and Elon Musk has stated that the production of the next-generation version of his company's first production vehicle will not begin until 2023. The majority of the major manufacturers of sports cars, such as Lamborghini and Ferrari, are still working on their first electric models. This provides an opportunity for Polestar to lay the smackdown with its zippy-looking concept vehicle, as the majority of the major manufacturers of sports cars are still working on their first electric models. The company has decided not to make any of the Polestar's O2 specifications public because it is still just a concept. This includes the 0 to 60 time, the battery capacity, and the range of the vehicle. However, the chief executive officer of Polestar, Thomas Ingenlath, stated in an interview that the modularity of the company's bonded aluminum platform makes it possible to fit a larger battery even within a shorter wheelbase. This was stated in reference to the fact that Polestar is developing an electric vehicle with a shorter wheelbase. According to Ingenlath, even with such a short wheelbase, it is still possible to package more than 110 kilowatt-hours of battery power without having to make any concessions. This is the conclusion reached by Ingenlath. To name just two of the many design elements that have been carried over from Polestar's first concept vehicle, the Polestar Precept to the O2, sharp-looking lines and a lighting signature that reflects the Volvo roots of the company are just two of the many design elements that have been carried over. While the orientation of the cabin is more constrained, the body of the vehicle has a low and wide profile, which gives it an aggressive stance. It is difficult to argue with Polestar's description that it has classic sports car proportions while also having a more contemporary electric feel. This is because both of these characteristics are true of the vehicle. They were successful in accomplishing their goal, which was started by Ingenlath, as we wanted to make sure people understand the architecture is capable of catering for sports cars like this. The top peak performance version of the high torque and high power P10 engine that we developed for the Precept will find a home in all of our products. And of course, we could put it in the Roadster over here if we wanted to, said the CEO of the company. The O2 offers Polestar a further chance to exhibit its dedication to protecting the environment, which the company is grateful to have. The interior is made out of a brand new thermoplastic monomaterial, which is a term that refers to the process of utilizing a single base material to manufacture a variety of different components. This practice is described by the term monomaterial, and it is used in the construction of the interior. In this specific instance, recycled polyester serves as the only component of construction for any and all of the interior components that are soft. Seat foam, adhesive, 3D knit fibers, and non-woven lamination are just a few examples of the components that make up this product. Not only does this make recycling easier, but according to Polestar, it also represents a step towards greater circularity. In addition to this, it assists in the reduction of waste as well as weight. Ingenlath responded, That is an idea that we definitely would love to put into production, in response to a question regarding the utilization of a single material throughout the entirety of the interior. In all honesty, this is how we use these concept cars. We want to put out that ambition and inject the energy into the organization so that we can really work toward making it possible, he said. We want to put out that ambition and inject the energy into the organization so that we can really work toward making it possible. In addition to this, the chassis of the vehicle has been designed in such a way that it simplifies and improves the efficiency of the recycling process. In order to recycle the metal in a more effective manner while also preserving the properties of the various grades of aluminum, it is necessary to label the different types of aluminum. The cinematic drone that is included as standard equipment with the Polestar O2 gives owners the ability to record themselves while doing activities such as traveling along a winding mountain road. This is the attribute that sets Polestar O2 apart from its competitors the most. The development of the drone, which is also a concept, was significantly aided by the consumer electronics brand known as Hoco Flow, which is owned and operated by Aerofugia. Geely formed the company that is now known as Aerofugia after acquiring Terrafugia, a startup located in Boston that specializes in electric vertical takeoff and landing. It is designed to be deployed while the vehicle is moving so that it can capture driving sequences, which is the purpose for which it was designed. The idea of owning a European sports car and driving it along a winding mountain road, as stated by Ingenlath, can be seen as very old-fashioned and out of touch with the contemporary concept of shared experiences. That is because of the perception that such activity is exclusive. The drone is, without a shadow of a doubt, the instrument that you should use in order to make memories, create memories that can be shared, and seize an experience that you and your companion are having while riding in the car together. And the drone can film you both. Depending on how you feel at the time, it can take photographs of the vehicle that are either very serene or very exciting. Ingenlath believes that the technology that would allow a drone to be integrated into a vehicle is very feasible. At top speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, the drone would be able to track the moving vehicle 100 kilometers per hour. After the aerial footage has been captured, the drone will automatically return to the vehicle where it was launched from. In addition, video clips can be edited directly from the 15-inch display that is located in the center of the dashboard while the vehicle is parked, and then those edited clips can be shared with other people. According to Ingenlath, it would be less distracting to the driver if they tried to film themselves using their smartphone rather than doing it themselves. Polestar has already stated that it intends to put its first concept car, the Precept, into production as the Polestar 5, and this plan has been publicly discussed. There is a chance that the same thing will take place with the Polestar O2 as well. Is that even possible? Ingenlath replied, without a shadow of a doubt. I want to provoke as much reflection as possible from you regarding that question. This is the car I want to use to make that proposition, and if it turns out to be true, I would be more than happy to confirm it in the future. I want to make that proposition with this car. And that's for today's video. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Let us know if you have any questions or comments in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of our incredible videos. You can also watch our other videos that have been specially selected for you. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.